Hi students. Today we will see the index of your mathematics 5th standard book. There are two parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1 there are 7 lessons. These are Roman numerals, number work, addition and subtraction. Fourth one is multiplication and division. Fifth one fractions, sixth angle and seventh circles. Then part 2 contains the lesson or topics. Topic number 8 is multiples and factors. Topic number 9 decimal fractions. 10 measuring time. 11th problem on measurement. 12th perimeter and area. 13th three-dimensional object and nets. 14th pictographs. 15th patterns and 16th preparation for algebra. Now today we will see the topic number 1 from part 1. The name of the chapter is Roman numerals. If you will see the page 1 of your textbook, on that page you can see one clock is there, and if you will observe that clock, you will understand that there are not the Devanagari numbers or the international numbers. Then, which numbers are these? So, here in your book, they given the conversation between Geeta and her teacher. So, I will read it out. Geeta says this clock doesn't have numbers. It had some symbols instead. Teacher replied that yes, Geeta, there are Roman numerals. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. Do you understand, students, which types of numbers are these? These are Roman numerals. The letter I was the symbol used for 1, then V for 5 and X for 10. In this method, there was no symbol for 0. Also, the value of a symbol did not change with its place. There are certain rules for writing the numbers using the Roman numerals. Let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbols I, V and X. So first of all, we will see the rules to write the Roman numerals. In your book, they given 4 rules. So, rule number 1 is if either of the symbols 1 or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. What is mean by that? We will see this in the examples. The number 2 we can write as 1 plus 1. So, in Roman numerals, they use the letter I for 1. So, in Roman numerals, 2 can be written as I. Now, if you will see the second example, then they given there the number 20. Now, 20 is equal to 10 plus 10. So, we have to use x two times. So 20 in Roman numerals is written as double x or xx. Now next to that they given the example of 3. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now we can write this number as I, I, I. Do you understand this, students? Means we are using I or X 2 or 3 times. Now, rule number second is the symbols I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. That we had seen in rule number 1. Now they given there the numeral V, which we are using for the number 5. It's never repeated consecutively. Means we cannot repeat V. Now rule number 3 is when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Means if we will write I or V on the right side of the number, its value is added. Means we should add the number. For example, they given here 6 means 5 plus 1. Here we have to see the use of 5. So 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. We are using V for 5 and I for 1. So in Roman numerals, we can write 6 as VI. Now 7 is equal to 5 plus 2 means V plus 2 times I. So VII. 8 means 5 plus 3. So V plus I plus I plus I means we can write 8 as VIII. Now next to that we'll see how to write 11, 12, 13. So 11 we are writing xi, 12 x double I, 13 x triple I, as well as we can write 15 as xv, 16 as XVI, 17 as xv double I, and 18 as xv triple I. Now we will see rule number 4. When I is written on the left of v or x, then its value is subtracted from the value of v or x. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before v or x. Now in third rule we had seen when we are writing I or v in the right, then we are adding that numbers. If we are writing I left of v or x, then we have to subtract the number. For example, we want to write 4. So 4 is equal to 5 minus 1. So we can write 4 in Roman numerals as IV. 9 as IX. But the number 8 is not written as IIX because 8 we are writing as 5 plus 3 means VIII. Now, next to that, 14 is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. However, we do not use the symbol I consecutively more than 3 times. So we are writing 14 as XIV. Similarly, 19 as XIX. Do you understand these four rules? If you understand it well, then you, for homework, you have to write the numbers from 1 to 20 in your notebook. Be safe at your home and try to solve exercise or problem set 1 from your book. Tomorrow or my next video I will tell you the answers of problem set 1. So be safe and be healthy. Bye and thank you.